They need a doctor.
We want a solution.
I accept the challenge.
He knows the secret.
She follows the rules.
Jack wins every time.
Sammy calls every week.
John studies every subject.
Tom knows some secrets.
Julia writes some stories.
She quits her job.
He enjoys his classes.
We miss our family.
I believe her story.
They know our plans.
He wrote a letter.
We returned the money.
He joined the team.
She missed the bus.
We enjoyed the movie.
Sarah won 2 times.
John took several pictures.
Alice picked some flowers.
Maria slept 3 hours.
Lisa raised 5 children.
I found the glass empty.
We heard the door close.
They painted the door blue.
She kept the children quiet.
He threw the ball long.
They took my money.
You forgot your bag.
They helped their father.
I received your letter.
He survived his injury.
She found him a seat.
I lent him the books.
He showed me the way.
She gave me a gift.
He sent me a letter.
She sold him her car.
He told us his story.
He offered me his help.
They gave us their word.
I lent her my computer.
Father found me a good seat.
Nick asked me the same thing.
Jack told me an incredible story.
Father built me a new house.
Fate taught me a hard lesson.
She still hates Tom.
We often play chess.
He sometimes loses hope.
I often wear sunglasses.
I always enjoy parties.
Wilson never asks anyone.
Wars never solve anything.
Sam always destroys everything.
Tim never understands anything.
Sammy never forgets anything.
Tommy got very fat.
Rachel felt very happy.
Sam became very famous.
Sammy got very angry.
Steve looked very sad.
She held the baby gently.
He opened the door slowly.
She closed the door quietly.
I called the police immediately.
They faced the danger bravely.
Kate sings at school.
Sam works at night.
Brian relies on God.
Henry believes in fate.
Ashley lives in London.
They met along the way.
He ran across the woods.
We swam across the river.
I walked around the block.
He headed toward the door.
She went to school with Kate.
He came to Japan from Australia.
We traveled to Chicago by train.
They screamed to Mary for help.
He flew to New York on business.
Sam looked at his watch.
Sasha came on her bike.
Sally focused on her work.
Sammy stayed in his room.
Susie swam in her clothes.
I want to do some shopping.
They want to make some changes.
We need to raise some money.
I need to buy some medicine.
You need to lose some weight.
I want it to be perfect.
He wants you to be safe.
We need you to be strong.
They need you to be honest.
We need you to be quiet.
Jesse is a student.
Steve is a singer.
Sam is the manager.
Rachel is a doctor.
Adam was a soldier.
That house is big.
This box is heavy.
Those women are strong.
These scissors are new.
That cable is dangerous.
The water is clean.
The flowers are dead.
The mountains are beautiful.
The river is dangerous.
The exam was difficult.
He is not lucky.
She is not sure.
He is not available.
I am not thirsty.
You are not alone.
I am a college student.
She is a taxi driver.
He is a tennis player.
He is an army officer.
I am the group leader.
It is not an easy job.
He is not a good driver.
He was not a good speaker.
She is not a bad person.
It is not the best solution.
The baby is 3 months old.
The speech was 20 minutes long.
The clock was 5 minutes slow.
The team was 5 players short.
The building is 20 stories high.
You were my age.
They are my sisters.
It was my fault.
She is my daughter.
He is our neighbor.
There is no water.
There was no music.
There are no customers.
There are no stops.
There is no hope.
That was our plan.
That is our school.
Those are your options.
Those are our books.
This was their dream.
This car is ours.
This chair is yours.
This dictionary is mine.
Those books are theirs.
These shoes are hers.
My bag is empty.
Your car is fast.
His story is true.
Your children are cute.
My computer is slow.
Henry is so funny.
Emily was very shy.
Wilson is too close.
Susan is very beautiful.
Carol is quite wrong.
Frank is still sick.
Sam is always healthy.
Children are sometimes wild.
Fire is always dangerous.
John was always different.
Henry is still missing.
Jane is always singing.
Sally is still sleeping.
Tom is always changing.
Maria is still breathing.
The lake is very deep.
The bus was almost empty.
The solution was quite simple.
The phone is too expensive.
The view is just incredible.
Those are too big.
This is just incredible.
This is somewhat normal.
That was much better.
That is quite possible.
My family was here.
Her house is there.
Your shoes are here.
My photos are everywhere.
Your friends are there.
Henry was in the army.
Justin was in the hospital.
Lucy was on the telephone.
Vanessa was at the library.
George was on the fence.
Games are good for health.
People are hungry for news.
Water is important for people.
Johnny were ready for action.
People were eager for peace.
Tom is out with a friend.
Frank was down with the flu.
Jack is up for the challenge.
Steve is out for a walk.
Wilson is out of the country.
I was alone at the time.
He was shy at the beginning.
They was shy at the beginning.
She was young at the time.
He was alone in the house.
Robert is the son of a doctor.
Gloria is the star of the show.
Kevin is a member of the family.
Kevin is the captain of the team.
Tom is the owner of the company.
My husband is at work.
My house was on fire.
Our children are in Australia.
My friends are in danger.
My birthday is in October.
Our team is better than yours.
Your office is nicer than mine.
Your parents are older than mine.
My shoes are bigger than yours.
Our school is larger than theirs.
There are 4 seasons in a year.
There are 3 trees in the yard.
There are 12 months in a year.
There are 4 oceans in the world.
There are 60 seconds in a minute.
There is no air on the moon.
There are no clouds in the sky.
There are no fish in this lake.
There was no one in the room.
There was no water in the river.
This chair is too low for me.
These gloves are too small for me.
This pillow is too soft for me.
This product is too expensive for me.
This size is too large for me.
Andy is wearing jeans.
Charlie is picking flowers.
Sam is studying music.
Jenny is collecting data.
Julia is practicing piano.
The baby is crying.
The train is coming.
The children are eating.
The files are missing.
The plants are growing.
Jessica is doing okay.
Kevin is going crazy.
Things are looking great.
Justin is feeling better.
Steve is acting strange.
He is writing a book.
I was bleeding a lot.
She is sewing a dress.
We are watching a movie.
He is fixing the clock.
Her parents are visiting.
Our world is changing.
My strategy is working.
Your birthday is coming.
Our guests are arriving.
Tommy is doing his work.
Sammy is cleaning his gun.
Sarah is sewing his jacket.
Henry is changing his clothes.
Maria is selling his house.
Sarah is sleeping on the grass.
Veronica is fishing in the river.
Tom is writing on the blackboard.
David was sitting on the steps.
Bella was sweating in the heat.
Sam has some advice.
Smith has 2 uncles.
Susan have 3 nieces.
Adam have many hobbies.
Emily have many enemies.
You have a message.
He had an accident.
They have a car.
She had a dream.
He had a visitor.
He has no jobs.
We have no time.
She has no neighbors.
You have no option.
They have no money.
He has big dreams.
We have great news.
She has sensitive skin.
They had awful weather.
You have good friends.
Each boy has 1 room.
Few people have 2 cars.
This room has 3 windows.
1 year has 12 months.
This building has 5 floors.
We had some good times.
She has some great news.
I have some noisy neighbors.
He has some rich friends.
You have such good friends.
I had a busy day today.
We have a big game tomorrow.
They had a bad day today.
We had a heavy rain yesterday.
We had a good time yesterday.
He had a smile on his face.
I have a stone in my shoe.
We have a child in our family.
You have the plan in your head.
She had a pain in her head.
You have to find a new job.
We have to become a better team.
She has to make a big family.
He had to set a good example.
I have to create a new website.
He had nothing more to do.
I have nothing further to say.
She had nothing more to add.
I have nothing else to wear.
We have nothing else to lose.
You must go home.
He should find work.
She must understand children.
They will bring help.
He should study grammar.
Sam might be wrong.
Tom could be dangerous.
Steve may be correct.
Wilson must be guilty.
Rachel should be fine.
Tom should get a job.
Sally might know the answer.
Sam might leave the country.
Mark should call a lawyer.
Dave will run the company.
Henry will do a great job.
People will follow a good leader.
Rachel will have a great time.
Andy will buy a new computer.
Jack will be a good doctor.
You can believe me.
You must join me.
You will find it.
You can follow us.
You should try it.
Nobody can hear me.
Nobody can replace me.
Nobody can understand him.
Somebody will see us.
Someone might see us.
We could see nothing.
They could do anything.
You must leave everything.
We might find something.
You must eat something.
That would be nice.
That will be impossible.
This must be important.
That will be great.
This might be true.
You should leave now.
We should decide today.
He could start tomorrow.
We can begin tonight.
She might arrive soon.
You can stay here.
They should be there.
We could look elsewhere.
We could stop somewhere.
It could be anywhere.
We will be quite safe.
He must be very hungry.
It could be very dangerous.
They will be just fine.
You could do much better.
Sammy should do that soon.
Tom will do that tonight.
Sam may do that tomorrow.
Tom can do that later.
Tom might do that now.
You should go to bed.
He must go to school.
She must be from Boston.
They might go to India.
I should move to Boston.